The Fear and Greed Index currently stands at 67, indicating greed in the market. This suggests bullish sentiment, but also calls for caution among traders, as excessive greed can lead to volatility. In the short to medium term, this level may propel prices higher. However, investors should watch for signs of a reversal, as the market could become overextended. Overall, this index signals a potentially bullish environment, but one that warrants caution. Crypto researcher Julian Biddle reports that Bitcoin hasn't yet hit its cycle top, implying strong potential for further gains. The current outlook suggests Bitcoin may enter a highly parabolic phase, possibly reaching new all-time highs. This is a positive sign for investors looking for long-term growth, but it also indicates increased risk of sharp corrections if momentum reverses. Overall, this is a bullish signal for the mid-term investment horizon. Bitcoin continues to show signs of strong institutional interest, as indicated by Coinbase premium data. While prices hover just below all-time highs, demand from large investors appears healthy. This healthy institutional backing could support sustained upward movement in the coming weeks, suggesting a positive medium-term outlook. However, traders should remain cautious of potential volatility ahead. Bitcoin has dipped slightly below 110,000, but remains above the critical 105,000 support level. If this support holds, a bullish rebound could be on the horizon. This price stability signals resilience amid broader market hesitations, and a sustained bounce could lead to further upward momentum in the short to medium term. Investors should watch this key support closely for signs of revival. Bitcoin's market is shifting towards derivatives. Futures trading volume has now reached an astonishing $650 trillion. This dominance suggests increasing institutional interest and more sophisticated trading strategies, which can amplify both upward trends and volatility. While this could foster long-term growth, it also raises short-term risks of rapid price swings. Therefore, traders should be cautious amid this heightened activity. Hon Hai, a major partner of Nvidia, is reporting strong sales. This growth is driven by soaring AI demand and robust iPhone sales. This instant boost in the tech sector could positively influence the cryptocurrency market, as increased AI adoption often correlates with bullish sentiment and increased investor confidence. While this benefits broader tech stocks, the immediate impact on cryptocurrencies could be positive in the short to medium term. The United States Secret Service is ramping up its international efforts to combat cryptocurrency scams, especially platforms that have defrauded victims worldwide. This crackdown could deter future scams, potentially increasing market trust over the long term. However, in the short term, heightened enforcement might cause uncertainty among investors worried about regulatory crackdowns, leading to cautious trading. Mercado Bitcoin has tokenized $200 million in real-world assets on the XRPL platform, signaling growing mainstream adoption of crypto and blockchain for traditional assets. This innovation can boost market confidence and attract institutional investors, supporting a positive long-term outlook for the crypto market's integration with traditional finance. The CARF regulation now aligns crypto under international tax standards, which is a crucial step toward legitimacy. This regulatory clarity can foster institutional acceptance and mainstream integration, likely supporting bullish trends over the medium to long term. However, short-term adjustments as markets adapt could introduce some volatility. XRP's recent overbought signal, which previously predicted a 25% drop, has reoccurred. This suggests potential short-term downside risk for XRP, and caution is advised for traders holding this token. While it might trigger a correction in XRP, broader market sentiment remains uncertain, but cautiously optimistic in the medium term. U.S. banks are retreating from preferred shares, even as investors remain eager to buy. This withdrawal could indicate shifting strategies and risk assessments in traditional finance, which might indirectly influence crypto markets. In the short term, it may cause some uncertainty. However, long term, it could open opportunities for alternative assets like cryptocurrencies. Petrobras, Brazil's state-owned oil company, is seeking Chinese investment to boost its shipbuilding industry. While not directly related to cryptocurrency, this move highlights growing international cooperation in infrastructure development, which could bolster investor confidence globally. In the medium term, this trend suggests a broader economic recovery, benefiting crypto markets as well. The United States trade deadline, pending after a volatile 90-day period, has major implications for markets. Uncertainty surrounding tariffs could cause volatility in traditional assets, which often spills over into cryptocurrencies as a hedge. In the short to medium term, expect increased market swings as clarity is awaited.